Hello guys, here we are on LOVASAMPLER. I would like to show you Classic House and Serum 2 presets. It is free. You can find it on LOVASAMPLER on Bandcamp or on Gumroad. You can find it on LOVASAMPLER too. And you have other products too, so it's here, free Classic House samples and Serum 2 presets. So when you download the product, so you receive bass, keys, pad and plucks, okay? I will just show you. Another bass. A sub bass. Which is really important to have a sub bass when you do electronic music. I'm sure you know. Keys. Rhodes. A real Rhode, it's a good one too. Contemplative. Then we have house short pad. A cool one too. Then we have pad glass. Nice. And then we have which is really well known, this one. It's an emulation of the M1. And this one. A little pluck. So, et voilà. So I showed you this free pack. You can download it on Gumroad or on LOVASAMPLER Bandcamp. So do not hesitate, it's free. À bientôt!